If you feel pain, yeah, just tap when it's hard.
I feel pain, fuck as fuck.
I know.
Fuck.
Yeah. You're gonna warm up.
Go into fucking leg, like, you know, to me.
Yeah,
ankle.
I know, the finger there.
To me ankle. Oh, fuck.
It's okay. It's gonna be.
It's not okay.
Yeah, I know it's okay to be not okay sometimes, but you know.
Fuck that pain. Oh.
I know. It's the I left it here.
Kurwa! Ow! Fuck! Ah! Oh, fuck! Ow! Fuck off! Oh! Don't fucking camera me. Swearing now.
It's okay. You swear the pain.
Oh, fuck. Oh.
Oh, fuck. That side is not bad. It's nothing.
No, it's not. The fuck of me. Oh.
Put your face there, just so I can hear the pop up. Stay
Yeah. You want me to? Yeah, I'm fucking faithful as fuck.
I know your pain. I know. This is the worst. Not so bad. It's okay. It's okay.
Both?
Yeah, both. Yeah. Just relax. Grab the table in the front. Just wanna relax everything. Just be careful with your face because they're gonna pull a little bit. Okay? Relax. Hello, yeah?
Say again?
Did you feel it? Tick?
Not really, no.
Oh, that was, I felt my hand thing click.
Hmm?
Yeah, it was a click here. That's okay. Here's a hand. Like that.
Fuck. Oh, Jesus. Ah.
It's okay. No problem. No pain, no pain.
starting again.
Because I want to leave rest. I don't want to make it hurt.
Oh, fuck.
And I feel more release.
Oh, fuck, man, pain. Ah.
Yeah.
Ah. Give me a break.
I know. That's why I don't want to go fully in one. Because I know it's. I'm not screaming from the first time.
Ah, but fucking
I know,
bad.
because I warm up now.
Oh.
That's always start, warm up.
Oh.
And I'm pushing hard.
Oh, my man. Oh, fuck.
Slowly. How are you gonna? So Lolo, we didn't start yet.
Fuck off. Fuck off.
I'm gonna feel different now.
Ah. Ah, fuck. Ah. Jesus Christ. Ah. Oh, fuck this shit.
It's okay. It's okay to be not okay sometimes, you know? Here, do me a favor. Face up. Just turn. Turn your opposite.
Oh, fuck.
That's good.
Any difference?
Yeah, that's what's changing. No, you're lucky. Because sometimes can be shorter from the problem, you know? Perfect. Hello, yeah? Okay. Make a feel click. Make it all in the balance. That's it.
How's my
Good. I was
mobility?
going to say, yeah, because when I was worried, you see, do they say my hands, fingers catch the glue? Good. Some people are empty. I was worried about
hip like
this
this?
one. You see, no problem. And when you start pain here, I fix it. But you don't have that because automatically before I go my fingers here, I check this one here. That means you are in the balance. See, catch. Some people go like this, empty. I put them back again. That's good. Let me see this one here. This can be this right, or it can be that. Perfect. Stop. That's what I want. Nice one. stay over here. I want to put this in your back.
On the bottom?
Yeah, yeah, perfect. One second. Hey. Okay. Nice one. Now. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax your. Put your arms in your chest.
Oh yes.
Good.
You know, I was doing this before with Vasily, who does McGregor.
Vasily, yeah. I done him.
Yeah.
He called me. I went him. He was very bad with his lower back.
I used to go a couple of years ago. I used to go to Vasily.
Yeah,
Look, he used to live in Lugan. I don't
in
know.
Lugan, in the back house.
Still live there, yeah?
He still live there. He have the office back of his house. He called me. I done his job. Man, big man, heavy, you know.
But he lost weight anyway.
He lost weight, but still heavy was. Trying my best. I sweat so much because you know when they want too much. Ask, do me this, do me that, you know, because he know what he wants.
Yeah, he was doing all those things to me as well.
Yeah. Just for the stretch for your neck. That's it now. Come, can you go a little bit down? That's it.
Keep it on the chest?
No, whatever you. What's easy for you. That's feel the stretch? Nice one.
Oh, fuck!
Yeah.
In my fucking chest.
That's what I was looking for, you know. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, no problem. I take this to feel comfortable. Yeah, face down, face down.
Face down?
Face, yeah, like this, no problem.
Do you think when you do this little bit of decompression that might bring the disc a little bit?
Bring this, yes, that's what I'm doing. All from what the first one was for the lower back. Try to, and the second one is from.
That's probably my problem comes from discs.
Yeah, that's when if I was someone like for 20 kilos here to hold it. This is the best. Somebody have to hold it.
Yeah.
Man, you feel it. That's what I said. If you have another guy like boom to do the job, the right job. You'll be okay.
Weird now.
I know. It's okay, just leave it to me. Leave it to me. That's it. You didn't finish. There was so many. Relax. Hold this in your neck. Yeah. Because I'm here. I want to do your shoulders now. You see before I start?
Already.
You see? But when I push, it's getting more better. The benefits. Another one, the same. Yeah, perfect. All in place. Not only focus here, but focus all body. Okay, here. Stay like this. Try to open the hair. There's another side. I just want to click both of them.
Where did you learn this? Back home?
Yeah, my dad was very good. But I never use it here because when you're young, you don't care. You think different.
So you only start lately, yeah?
Yeah, I've done that years, but social media make me more bigger. I didn't know. I just put it 3 months ago. TikTok. In TikTok, I started. Boom! I thought I can do it.
Will you rent a place or not?
I will one day, But for the moment, I need clients,
Look, I might give you a few clients, people asking me all the time,
Yeah. That's why I want to give you some spark videos and you can show to your friends. Very good with shoulders. I'm very good with everything, but most of the time I'm good with shoulders. Magic hands. Let's go.
Well, even if there's a problem with nerves,
Yeah.
If
But
I have somebody who actually needs help straight away, I can.
Call
refer
him. I can do it anytime. You know, but I can go only in his gaff or in his gym if you have a place, or else
I'll ring him straight after this because I met him this morning in Charleston. We live there. He's my neighbor, and he said, this pain came back. I can't lift. Blah blah blah. You know.
I'm going after you to Rafael, to this guy. It's fucked. I just said, sit, wait, this strong. And he said, yeah, I know. I said, yes, I can see it, you know. I fix it straight away. This is my, shoulders is the best for me because I know
It's your favorite.
it's my favorite. And people are so, whoa.
Wow.
You feel brand new, man. No problem at all. I want to fix everything. That's the one here.
That's not nice.
I know. Stand up. No, I apologize. My side, I mean. Yeah. That's perfect. Come a little bit closer. That's it. Keep it there. Catch your elbow. Hold in the elbow. That's it. Oh fuck. So yes, okay, fall. Perfect. One more. On the other side. Just release everything and your body after feel much better. Come a little bit closer here. Whoop. Don't worry, you are not gonna fail. That's it.
That one, yeah?
Yeah, put that straight.
That's straight, yeah?
Yeah. Perfect. Nice one. Perfect. One more here. That's all. Are you gonna release all? Well, you're gonna feel it different.
Because you burn more calories than in the gym.
Yeah, man. But I love it. I don't mind, This is not like a. If you go to any cardio. See you next week. 3 minutes. No, I do full body, and if it's necessary, I have all my stuff, and I rope.
You have passion for this, yeah?
Yeah, I love it. I have this job I can do it because you like it. I think after the boxing, this is my second. Maybe I'm turning this to the first one because I'm getting older. The boxing.
And you give up on taxi.
And taxis only pay the bills. Stand up.
Like,
Sit down. Sit down now. Sit where you are. Reflexes still there. You sometimes when you have the problem, don't kick. That kicked very, very well. Hold, you got him?
Both or one?
Just one. One by one, but you know. See the elbow? Push it back. The elbow. Push it back the elbow. The elbow. This elbow. Yeah, push it back. This one. Push it back. Hard. That's it. So, one of them is out of the balance. It's okay. Stand up. Face up. Oh, stay over here. Open your arms. Grab me, please. Grab my hands. Okay, close your elbows. Perfect. Stay where you are, just folding my chest. Try to. That's good stretching.
I mean, I can feel
That's
push on my hamstring, but I was training them yesterday, so
yeah. Remember what I said to you yesterday. You sit in the chair, in that type of high if you can, and stay like this. Just do it now. I'm gonna see you different. You can see, I'm sure you're gonna be in pain. I know that. That's normal.
I tried it yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, my glutes is
You see? 20 seconds. Every time you remember, do this. Have a chat with your friend. They don't know what you're doing, and you just stretch, stretching up, open. You put it back in the place where that was, and you will. I'm helping you, but you have to help yourself.
Of course, yeah.
You know, this is very, very good technique. Only this, you don't need more, you know, like because you don't have that problem. You can sit in the chair at home like this, in the bed. Your knees should not touch the front, you know, and you can have a Facebook or sending some friend, you know, message. Like that, like open the, you know, the problem here, but. That help a lot. But if every time you just remember, do this stretching, this one here, that's the techniques. And it's not high, it's not sweating, it's not, you know, just you have to remember all the time till you know, and you don't have to do it. The pain. This is the. Oh, oh yeah, ski. Face down. Face down. Face down. This is for the blood circle, no? Stand up. That's for the first day experience, what do you think?
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we're still talking here.